guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a HDR brown filter effect on CapCut. So go and open up your video, select effects, add like the video effects, go to comic, and then find black and white sketch. Add that, go to video effects and go to basic and add the blur one, like so, and adjust it to the end of the video, both of them, and export that. And once you are done exporting, you are going to go back, delete the black and white effect, go to video effects, go to comic, and select the neon one. Oops. Hold on. Comic, and then select the neon one. Then after that, you're going to export it again. And once you're done, you're going to go back and delete all of the video effects. Go to overlay, add overlay, and select the first one, which is this one. Just going to delete these parts because I did a mistake where the blur doesn't go till the end, but select it, go to splice, and select burn, and have it to around 40-ish. Go back, add overlay, add the second one. Adjust it to your clip, like so. And then you're going to select it, go to splice, and select dodge, and have it to around 42. Alright, and then I'm going to select the clip. Then I will be selecting adjust. Here's where I can adjust a lot of like things to make it look a bit better. And then go to HSL, select the orange one, have it to -100, and then have the saturation, around 30, luminance to around 40, and then go to the yellow one, -40, saturation 40, luminance -17-ish or 18. Go to the green one and have it to -76 or 74, and then luminance to around 38. And then you can again adjust along the way if you like to. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!